In the United States, someone dies in a house fire 7 times a day. The American Red Cross and Bemidji Fire Department have teamed up to try to reduce that statistic on a local level with their Be Ready Bemidji Home Fire campaign. Kathleen Cohen has more.
Installed June 26, 2000. So we're 15 years old.
Okay.
Average life expectancy of a smoke alarm is 10.
Be Ready Bemidji is part of a 5-year national campaign launched by the American Red Cross back in October to reduce home fire deaths and injuries by 25%.
In Bemidji, it's really important. Beltrami County actually from 1990 through 2013 had the 6th most home fire deaths of any county in the state, even though the population is the 21st highest in the state. So really important for all of us to join together in this initiative.
I mean, that's very alarming. The campaign is to install 400 smoke alarms every year.
And the campaign kicked off today. The American Red Cross, Bemidji Fire Department, youth volunteers, and Target employees teamed together to install new fire detectors in Bemidji homes.
We've got a total of over 50 volunteers that are going to be out doing canvassing in neighborhoods, identifying homes that have either smoke detectors that aren't functioning, don't have the right amount of smoke detectors, or of smoke detectors that are more than 5 years old.
Not only did the American Red Cross and Bemidji Fire Department replace old fire detectors, they also helped families and individuals plan escape routes in case of emergency.
It is very important. I think some of the confusion comes in a house fire is the adrenaline gets going and people forget how to or where to go and where to meet up.
In some circumstances, there might, like if a fire blocks off a door or if something goes wrong, it's important to have that plan so that kids and adults alike know where to go.
Teams are going door to door with fire officials to go over fire safety and replace fire detectors in an effort to save lives. And the installation is completely free of charge.
So one of the big things about this is paid through a national program of the American Red Cross, and so there's no cost to any homeowners. People that are in their home, that we come to their homes and say, can we check your smoke detectors with you? There's absolutely no cost of getting these installed. And the great people at the fire department are doing the installations themselves. And we've got our great volunteers working with people on coming up with plans to make sure we cut down home deaths in Bemidji.
I went to the first installation with Bemidji firefighters. The first fire alarm in the home was out of date and the second did not have batteries.
No battery in there.
But now they are replaced and the home is much safer in terms of being able to detect a fire.
First year we've had, as an initiative this big, to try to install 400 smoke alarms in a yearly basis, on an annual basis for the next 5 years. So this is huge.
Reporting in Bemidji, Kathleen Cohen, Lakeland News.
The American Red Cross and Bemidji Fire Department will be installing new smoke alarms tomorrow and April 25th as well. For more information on how to receive a free alarm with installation, contact the Bemidji Fire Department or hashtag BeReady-Bemidji on social media.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.